LG StanbyME Go Smart Portable AI Touchscreen. First up, we have the LG StanbyME Go Smart Portable AI Touchscreen. This gadget is perfect for your next camping trip, tailgate, or any adventure where you want to take your entertainment with you. The LG StanbyME Go features a touchscreen protected by a hard-sided case, making it super durable and travel-friendly. You can use the included remote, touch the screen, or manage it via voice control. So many options. One of the coolest features is its versatility. The screen rotates 90 degrees, ideal for social media, or you can lay it flat in table mode for music and games. Plus, with a built-in battery lasting up to 3 hours, you get plenty of cordless entertainment. And the AI Sound Pro ensures you get top-notch audio quality wherever you are. Whether it's movies, shows, or music, the LG StanbyME Go is your ideal travel companion. Acaia Orbit Coffee Grinder. Next, coffee lovers rejoice. The Acaia Orbit Coffee Grinder is here to elevate your coffee making ritual. It's designed with a sleek, minimalist aesthetic and offers precision grinding for both single dose and larger batches. The multi-purpose hopper transitions effortlessly between single dose and larger batches, and with the integrated Acaia lunar scale, you get grind by weight precision every time. Choose between Mazzer 33M burrs for classic espresso or SSFP multi-purpose burrs for high clarity brews. Plus, the companion app lets you adjust grinding speed and save profiles for different coffee styles. It's also built with energy efficient technology, making it a sustainable choice for your kitchen. Motorola Adaptive Display Concept Smartphone. Now check out the Motorola Adaptive Display, a concept smartphone with a bendable, flexible FHD plus poled screen that adapts to your needs. In a flat orientation, you get a full Android experience on a 6.9's display. When positioned vertically, it transforms into a self-standing 4.6's display. You can even wrap it around your wrist for on-the-go connectivity. This versatile smartphone offers unparalleled adaptability, making it perfect for any situation. Microsoft X ByoWave Proteus Modular Gaming Controller Kit Gamers. You're going to love the Microsoft X ByoWave Proteus controller. This modular gaming controller supports over 100 personalized configurations, making it accessible for all gamers. The Snap and Play system allows you to configure the controller using interchangeable cubes, including buttons, D-pads, and analog sticks. Remap buttons through the companion app to fit your gaming style. It's not just for gaming. Users have adapted it for diverse applications like stock market transactions. The kit includes everything you need for a full setup, making it a versatile and inclusive choice. Varjo XR4 series mixed reality headsets. Next, we have the Varjo XR4 series mixed reality headsets. These headsets offer top-tier visual fidelity and performance for both industrial and personal use. Featuring dual 4KX, 4K displays, and a 120-degree x 105-degree field of view, you get an incredibly immersive experience. The dual 20MPX cameras provide real-time photorealistic video pass-through mixed reality, and DTS 3D spatial technology ensures high-quality audio. Whether you're training or just exploring new virtual worlds, the Varjo XR4 series offers unparalleled immersion and performance. Lenovo Project Chronos Remote Workspace Concept. If you're into remote work, the Lenovo Project Chronos is a game changer. This concept device blends virtual and physical worlds, allowing you to connect with your team no matter where you are. It uses an advanced RGB depth camera to capture your movements, replicating them in a 3D rendered virtual environment. Control your avatar with gestures, movements, posture, and facial expressions. No motion capture wearables needed. This device offers virtual freedom and lets you collaborate seamlessly, making remote work more interactive and engaging. Nunc Portafilter Espresso Machine with grinder coffee aficionados. Meet the Nunc Portafilter Espresso Machine. It's a smart, intuitive machine that makes each coffee preparation a sensory experience. With its smart interaction interface, you can craft custom coffee recipes effortlessly. It's perfect for both beginners and experts, ensuring a perfect cup every time. The minimalist design fits any modern living space, and the machine is built with high-quality, sustainable materials. Elevate your coffee moments with the Nunc Espresso Machine. SIMore G2 SIM Magnetic 4G Hotspot Router. Need dual SIM functionality for your iPhone? The SIMore G2 SIM Magnetic 4G Hotspot Router is your solution. This gadget adds 2 SIM cards to your iOS devices, allowing for dual SIM voice calls, SMS, and mobile data. Create a secure 4G Wi-Fi hotspot that connects up to 8 devices. With built-in magnets for secure attachment and a long-lasting battery, it's perfect for reliable internet access on the go. Personal Aircon by Silent Cicada. If you're someone who gets hot easily, check out the Personal Aircon by Silent Cicada. This wearable cooler is perfect for outdoor enthusiasts, gym lovers, and even students needing to stay cool and focused. Unlike bulky cooling devices, the Personal Aircon fits comfortably around your wrist like a watch. It provides real-time muscle cooling, enhancing your performance during workouts and helping with muscle recovery. It's safe, effective, and backed by scientific principles. Stay cool and comfortable with this innovative wearable cooler. Velaflame Smart Candle Light Bulb. For a unique lighting experience, try the Velaflame Smart Candle Light Bulb. This flameless candle fits in any light bulb socket, perfect for creating a cozy atmosphere. With 3D flame effect technology, it looks almost indistinguishable from a real flame. You can connect it to Amazon Alexa or Google Home for voice commands and adjust brightness and color for the perfect mood. Create a warm, inviting space anywhere with Velaflame. Axiom Holographics. If you want holographics, we've got them. Axiom Holographics takes holograms to the next level with entire hologram rooms perfect for presentations, gaming, and more. Imagine a hologram table that lets you display 3D images interactively, or a hologram tunnel where animals jump off the walls. From hologram walls that enhance projections to stage holograms bringing virtual performers to life, Axiom Holographics is powered by the Unity engine, making it easy to map real-world objects into stunning 3D displays. Transform your space and captivate your audience with the cutting-edge technology of Axiom Holographics. Whether you're a business looking to impress clients or a gamer seeking immersive experiences, these holograms will leave a lasting impact. Canon PowerShot Golf Digital Laser Rangefinder Golfers. The Canon PowerShot Golf Digital Laser Rangefinder is a must-have. This palm-sized device combines advanced laser technology with digital zoom capabilities. Get pinpoint accuracy for distance measurements, clear visuals with the electronic viewfinder, and slope-adjusted calculations for better club selection. With multimedia capabilities and weather-resistant design, this rangefinder helps you play with confidence. Vanzy 2.0. Navigating the metaverse just got easier with Vanzy 2.0, the meta mouse that gives you control over all your augmented and virtual reality spaces. Compatible with Bluetooth smart devices, Vanzy 2.0 lets you use gestures to create custom functions and control what happens next. Its 9D LF accuracy and real-time 3D tracking provide a truly immersive experience. With 5 hours of non-stop usage on a single charge in a 10-meter range, Vanzy 2.0 is perfect for seamless interaction in virtual environments.